Hey there, fellow relaxation seekers. Welcome back to our channel Follow Fauzia, where we explore the wonderful world of self-care and rejuvenation. Today, we're diving into the enchanting realm of Thai massage, a centuries-old tradition that has captured the hearts and muscles of people worldwide. Get ready to experience the magical wonders of Thai massage, my friends. It's time to dive into the hilarious and enchanting realm of this ancient practice that'll leave you in stitches of joy, of course. Get ready to unwind and discover the incredible benefits of this ancient practice. Picture yourself lying on a comfy mat, as your skilled Thai massage therapist works their magic. It's like a hilarious yoga session combined with an acrobatic circus act. Trust me, you won't be able to contain your giggles. Thai massage, also known as Nuad Thai, is a traditional healing practice that originated in Thailand and has gained immense popularity worldwide. Unlike regular massages, Thai massage incorporates elements of yoga, acupressure, and energy work, making it a holistic experience for both the body and mind. Thai massage is all about the art of stretching and bending, as if you're a contortionist in training. Forget about those boring static massages. With Thai massage, your body becomes a flexible masterpiece in the hands of these talented therapists. Who needs a yoga class when you can get your dose of laughter and flexibility all at once? One of the main reasons Thai massage is so widely loved is because of its numerous benefits. Let's explore some of the incredible advantages this ancient practice offers. Stress relief. Thai massage is a fantastic way to unwind and relax. By applying rhythmic pressure along the body's energy pathways, it helps release tension and reduces stress hormones. It's like a rejuvenating vacation for your body. Increased flexibility. If you've ever wanted to improve your flexibility, Thai massage is perfect for you. With gentle stretches and yoga-like movements, it helps enhance flexibility and joint mobility. You'll be reaching new levels of flexibility in no time. Improved circulation. Thai massage stimulates blood circulation throughout the body. This means oxygen and nutrients reach every corner, promoting better overall vitality and well-being. Your body will thank you. Eased muscle tension. Say goodbye to muscle knots and tightness. Thai massage targets specific areas of tension using deep pressure techniques, helping to release muscle knots and promote muscular relaxation. Experience the relief as the tension melts away. Energized body and mind. Thai massage revitalizes both the body and mind. It awakens your senses, leaving you feeling refreshed and energized. It's the perfect pick-me-up when you need a boost. So, if you're looking to relax, reduce stress, improve flexibility, and promote overall well-being, Thai massage is an excellent choice. Treat yourself to this ancient healing art and discover the wonders of relaxation and rejuvenation. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos.